With Swisstrax modular flooring, you can easily create a custom car pad that's durable, eye-catching, and easy to clean. Assemble it in a snap with no special tools or adhesives needed. To provide additional traction, rubber underlay can be used underneath the pad. Starting from the top left corner, begin by positioning the first tile with the loops facing towards the right and bottom. Continue connecting every tile in this position row by row from left to right until all the tiles are assembled. Match up your edge pieces so the looped edges align with the pegged sides of the pad and the pegged edges align with the looped sides. Finish with your 4 outside corner pieces. Your new Swisstrax car pad is UV stabilized, chemical resistant, and backed by an unbeatable 15-year warranty. Swisstrax custom car pads. Install it in minutes, enjoy it for decades.